Welcome to you, dear students. In today's lecture, today we are going to learn a subject is that impression management paper 2. Today we are first understand what is mean by impression management. Already we had learnt in first semester, but before starting we have to understand the concept. So I am again repeat it. Impression management is an active self presentation of a person aiming to enhance his image in the eyes of others. Means what, dear students? You want to be look nicely, you want to be improve yourself not only in your eyes, it is into the others eyes, because you always want to be what, pattering of your teachers. Means what, if your teacher says yes, this is a sincere boy, for that you are doing hard work, and this is what, this is a try of your impression, and this try we call what, you are making impression management in teacher's eyes. Okay, for that we are using a different techniques, and these techniques we had already learned into the first semester. So today we want to be impressed to others through self presentation and physical appearance. So we focus unit number 1. The title is what, self presentation and physical appearance. In that we first understand what is a self presentation. Self presentation is behavior that attempts to convey some information about oneself or some image of oneself to other people. It denotes a class of motivation in human behavior. These motivations are in part stable dispositions of individuals, but they depend on situational factors to elicit them. In short, what it is, the self presentation is a behavior, means this is a behavior that attempts to convey some information about oneself or some image of oneself to the other people. Again, the information is the same. What we learn about impression management, it is a active representation or a presentation. In the self presentation, what we are doing, we are behaving that way. I am the active or I am the sincere, and this way you passing the information how you are sincere, and other people give a impression to you he is sincere. For that you are presenting yourself in front of others as a sincere. Okay, means what, this is your behavior, and this is what your self presentation. These things or a motivation of any person are different. There are number of personalities, and according to their views they are presenting their self in different way, and they are elicit them through the action or a behavior. Okay, next we go ahead with the physical appearance. What is mean by physical appearance, dear students? Physical appearance reveal the personality traits. Now, what is a personality traits? Personality traits means attribute of that particular personality. Then attributes means what? The characteristics of that particular personality. They found that while both processes provided participants with accurate cues about personality, the spontaneous posts shown more insight, including about the subjects. Subjects means persons, agreeableness, emotional stability, openness, likability, and the loneliness. Means what, dear students? What according to the traits means characters of any personality. What we say, he is very shy. Means what? He is not talking with direct eye contact. Always he bow his head while talking to other person. Means what? This is physical characteristic of that particular personality. So we called him to he is or she is shy. Okay, this way any subject or any persons we categorize according to their physical appearance. There are some people are tall, some people are what, short. According to that appearance, what, some people are healthy, and healthy people are always lazy. Why we say? Because the physical appearance of that particular person we say. Okay, this way we learn the concept of self presentation and physical appearance. This is a title. Let's we go ahead with the sub points of that first unit. The first point is what? Factors affecting physical appearance. According to that physical appearance note, we have to understand what is a physical appearance. Dear students, for that I am giving in a simple language actually what is a physical appearance. Physical characteristics can individual varies of things. Means hairstyle, height, weight, all these are included into that physical appearance. And how different factors are affected on that physical appearance. The first factor is that what? Biological factor. By and large, the influence of biological factors on personality structure are limited and indirect. The biological factor include genetic, hereditary factors, physical appearance, and the physique and rate of maturity. What do you understand from that point? uh, Biological factor means you have to your personality by God gifted. Your height is not in your hand. Means what? It is a heredity. Okay, your hair color, your eyebrows, all these things you possesses according to your genetics. Okay, and what? Physical appearance, which things you are using for improve your personality. Means what? There are number of accessories for the boys, the goggle and dress, all the things, and for the girls earrings, hairstyle, all the things. What? And the physique means what? The physical fitness, the height, weight, all the things, and rate of maturity also occur from our heredity. Number of people by birth are what? Understandable nature. Means what? They are always understanding to the other persons. In a local language what you say, की तो लहानपणापासून तसाच आहे. मीन्स वॉट? इट्स मॅच्युरिटी बाय from his childhood. Okay, and this maturity comes into that particular person from that heredity. Okay, and through that heredity what we says to the any person. Means what? He is aggressive, he is too much nervous, his timidity means what? Shyness and sociability are strongly influenced by genetic endowment. Means what? Some people from that family in a some people in that particular family are open, and the child of that particular family is also what? Directly talk to the other person. They are not shy. Okay, this way the biological factor means why by birth they are taking a different body parts also, and what he is looking like his father and mother. This is a genetical parts. Okay, you can understand, or a sort what? Biological part. So what biological factors are affect on what? Personal appearance of personality. In that also we the focus what the constitutional makeup means what he is looking like uncle, as like a father, as like mother, means what his facial makeup is matching with someone according to the heredity of their family. Next, what the influence cast by the physical appearance and physique have been thoroughly discussed. Means what in their family there are all the people are healthy, so I am healthy. Okay, the rate of maturity is another important factor in causing striking variations at various ages at which the child reaches due to the chronological development. The differences in behavior is noticeable in the relatively mature or immature adolescent or the same age. Okay, means what when we are going to school and what all students are the same age in particular standard, but some or any one candidate are what as looking what as a too much small small than that current age. Okay, means what in simple language or local language what a बालिश है सोडून देना means what it is not mature according to his or her age, but this is not in hand of that particular person, it is by heredity. Okay, I thought you are understand better this factor what biological factor. Let's we continue with the second factor is that what cultural determinants of personality. From the point of view of personality development, the most significant aspect of the individual's world is his social environment. All human beings live in a society and interacting group of people, and each society has a distinctive culture, a body of stored knowledge, characteristics, way of thinking, feeling, attitudes, goals, ideas, and value system. This point, dear students, reveals us in our society there are different culture, and this different culture affect on our personality, and all human being live in these society, so these human being have a knowledge of different culture, and according to their culture they are behaving or they are making his or her physical appearance. There are number of what caste religions. Okay, according to there are their number including according to their goddess, god, or the what holy books, all this information into that, and what these characteristics or way of thinking of that particular human being according to their culture or a feeling. Means what take an example of what a Brahman kid, what he is not feeling well with non-veg food. Why? Because his culture is what to deny this non-veg. Okay, and this personality is what pure veg because of his culture. I am not, dear students, I am not dominating to any caste. This is for example, you have to understand. Okay, next, what the culture regulates our lives and influence the development of personality at every turn. What in which culture we are grown up, and this culture influence on our lives, and according to that, dear students, we are developed. So not only one day, not only 2 day, it is what every turn. Okay, I thought you can understand what is the cultural determinants affects on our personality. according to culture we also doing our wearings. Take a international or national example. What our culture is for girls, what we are wearing a sari. Okay, and what international level they are not wearing a sari, they are wearing a suits or a dress. Okay, I thought you can understand. Next we go for the third factor is very important, and this factor is what? Family influences on personality development. The ultimate aim of personality development is the development of social behavior in the children. Socialization is the process by which the individual infant means what? Kid below what? 6 year acquire the behavioral potentialities and the eventually those behavior patterns that are customary and acceptable according to the standards of his family and the social group. He starts acquiring those patterns of social behavior from the immediate environment and gradually from the wide range of extended environments. What, dear students, we can understand from this para? The child who is grown up in a particular family, according to that family he behave or develop his personality from his birth. Means what? In the stage of infant he observe all the family members and he learn a number of things from that particular family members. So what? The child first social learning occur at home and his earliest experience with his family, particularly his mother, are a critical in determining his attitude toward and his expectations of other individuals. Okay, in first stage of our personality, our mother is nourishing to us and we always observe to our mother, and mother what? Make what different knowledge she sharing to that particular child. He laughing with that child, she laughing with her child, and according to that this child make his attitude. The mother remain most important to him because she gratifies his primary need for food, for alleviations of his pain, and source of pleasure for warmth. The infant soon learns to search for and approach his mother whenever he is hungry, in pain, and uncomfortable. All primary need of any child he demand only to what? His mother. And so what? He all this making a satisfaction or make a comfort zone for her child. Okay, so she is too much important in that family. There are number of examples how child learn from that family and how he develop, and this is called what? Personality development. And the family is important aspect of that particular personality. The impact of various types of home atmosphere on the personality characteristics have been studied cross cultural and the research. There are number of research doing on that personality and workouts. Means what? If in any family there are too much restrictions of that particular child and too much control over that particular child, so this child always behave like tend to be a quiet. The child always in a quiet, well behaved, shy. They are not arrogant, they are very shy because of the environment of family. Always there in that family what? Clear cut rule, so always he keep quiet and what? Well behaved. Next, what those from the highly indulgent home shown almost same behavior when they grow up, as shown by the restricted and the overprotected children. Even though, as we take an example, when we are taking admission in a college, and a number of well educated parents what they are doing, my child is not writing well this form, maybe he is doing mistake, so what please papa fill this form, and what he is keep quiet, and his papa is filling this what form, and child is remaining what keep quiet. Okay, because these parents are over protected of that children. Okay, next, what according to in short, what according to the environment provided by that particular child, according to that way the uh, person develop his personality. Okay, there are number of example when we are giving a freedom into that particular family, these child are too much sociable, means what, they are interactive persons. Okay, and they this way we are understand in today's lecture. I hope you are understand the what the concept of self presentation, physical appearance, and what factors affecting physical appearance. Dear students, it is not for only learn by theoretical, it is a practical. So you change yourself when we learn these things, and you improve your personality. Let's we continue with a different another sub point is what, self introduction into the next lecture. Thank you.